Alkaline say him are the key man in a dancehall. And Vybz Kartel respond to Alkaline and say him are the Locksmith. Me I wonder if Vybz Kartel really a function, because how can you come up with a counteraction and say you are the Locksmith for Alkaline, the key man? Make it make sense.
Oh, say God no. Stiff food in my mouth, baby. First to the I'ma get, mama catch you up. Oh, out of slime.
Because the last time I checked, a key man is a very essential success to an organization, an establishment. So basically, Alkaline I make you know say, and me are the key man, the very essential part of dancehall. And that Alkaline I make you know of the industry, the success of the industry. And me I go break that down to know why him say him is the success of the industry. Me I go break it down to know. Now, the locksmith is just a person who changed the lock, or if you get locked out, you can call them for let you in. So the locksmith also helped to create keys and created locks, right? Or them can open them, vice versa. When you check the ratio, Vybz Kartel, Bounty Killer, they were a gatekeeper. Them did a change the lock continuously, and I cut new key and I keep it to themselves continuously in a dancehall. So they were locking the gate. That's basically what Vybz Kartel are telling in another new song, you know. When him say him are the locksmith, you know. So basically him are telling us, listen to me. You see, if you no call me to let you in, you can't come in. You can't come in. You understand? The man make you know say yo, if you no call me, you can't come in. But guess what? In counteraction, no make no sense. Because Alkaline already find the key and get through. And Cartel I wonder how Alkaline find the key. Never remember say the old Asia catch up on him. So him hide the key underneath the mat. And Alkaline see him and say, oh, you dirty blood clot, yo. And this is your hide the key. Alright. Boom. Open the door. And when Alkaline open the door, Vybz Kartel realize say, panning ring camera. He say, bumbo clot. Alkaline get way in the yard, youth. Alkaline day in the yard. Bumbo clot, him find the key. Him find the key, that's why Alkaline telling us say, him have the key for the city. Nah, pay attention. Members are 2 times now Alkaline talk about the key. Since him there in a dancehall. I not pay attention. Watch this. Alkaline say him are the key man for dancehall. Right? I'm done telling you what the key man mean in a dancehall. Now, why Alkaline call himself the key man in a dancehall? A lot of you now gonna know. Make me break it down to you. The door was closed. A lot of artists that have to call up on Vybz Kartel, which is the Gaza, or them have to call up on Alliance, which is Bounty Killer. Right? To come through the gate. And majority of the time, when them reach the gate, them can't go in at the yard. Them have to stop at the gate. So this are the gate them have to stop right as so. That's how far them can go within. You understand? So there's still a barrier. No matter what, if they even get let through the gate, them still have to stop right at the gate. Them becomes the gate man to hold the gate. You understand me? Just like the whole of the Gaza Empire, they were the gate man and gate woman. So them did have to help hold the gate. That's what they were there for. Help hold the gate. Why you think say Popcorn and Valiant kick off? When Popcorn India help Valiant, you think say Popcorn never realized say Valiant a bad artist? No, it's because he is a gate man at the time. So you have to help him for hold it. Look pan Quada. Look pan Quada. If you don't want to lie, me I tell look pan Quada. How much artists Popcorn boss and a whole heap of artists Popcorn apart with a send them us. Bad artists. And him know that. How much of them inside, how much of them in boss. Check the ratio. Only just look into it. The last set of artists of Bounty Killer work with, members say Ayara have left from Killer because all him want a liquor boss. Killer say, we can't let you out there now. Can't let you out there. You are supposed to become the gatekeeper. Vybz Kartel get trained by Bounty Killer to become a gatekeeper and also a winner. So that's why Vybz Kartel come with the narrative and say, alright, you want to go and my daddy teach me right, you know. Make me lock the gate. So me I go take over from my father. Me I go overthrow my father and lock the gate. So that's why Alliance couldn't bust nobody no more. Remember say Bounty Killer fight with K Queens and until this day them can't go nowhere. Until this day they cannot go anywhere. Because Cartel come and build a new gate. Put a new lock and lock out Alliance. Remember good now? So this is it now. Alkaline come now. And Alkaline find the key where Vybz Kartel left underneath the carpet in pre-Wagwan. And find the key. Right? And when him find the key, he say your blood clot, yo. So when Alkaline open the gate now, Alkaline make sure say him tear off the gate completely. Bust down the gate completely. So no more lock can go on pan it. No more lock can go on pan the gate. Him pat down the gate completely. Bust down the wall. That's why you see these young generation today could have able to come in a dance hall and a go on so good. And a go on so good. You understand? Alkaline let them through. That is why you see these artists have this passion about independency. This is why these artists can come now and create their own group. Them not have to run to an organization on a preach for themselves. All I want to guys are people wake up on the year and look into what me I tell you now. Go check your facts and see for yourself. There was a gatekeeper. Why would you think say? Out of everybody will come out of Alliance. Why would you think say Vado couldn't bust nobody? Because Vado never learned that from Bounty Killer. Him named that take the bad ways to gatekeep. You know observe now? Cartel take it and lock it. Remember good no man? Members are whole selector usually get boxed down and beat up, you know. Whole heap selector, you know, usually get boxed down and beat up. Them can't play other artists. Them can't do it. Me a lot of them say, oh, but remember sir, when rhythm come out, the Cartel usually they pan the rhythm the most and whatever. You don't understand what go on. When Cartel, normally most of these rhythm, Cartel always be the first one to vice from the rhythm. Most of them, I don't say all of them. Most of them, him always be the first. Right? And when him vice fan with him, if him realize that you come with something different from him and it have a boss, him come back with another song, pan the rhythm. That's so Cartel have more than one song, pan a rhythm. Most of them don't know these things because you're young. You're young. If you don't listen to Beenie Man, when Beenie Man and Cartel were supposed to have a collab, right? And when Cartel realized, no, sir, me have to go first, the doctor, go so bam and go remix the collab. We never get to even put out yet, you know. Ingrown go remix the collab and Lego the collab, Lego the remix. And this time and Beenie Man fall out, you know. This time and Beenie Man fall out, you know, because of the bad movement when he move. A lot of them know that. Because Beenie Man look on it as a traitor thing. You understand? Traitor thing. When Cartel put out a song, a girl song, para rhythm, Vegas them always go to the man say, alright, blood clot. Me can't go girl song, me have to go gospel. When Vada them a deal with gun song and girl song, and him have to go gospel. You go listen to them something there from the artist them telling you these things. But let them not listen to understand. You listen to that's what you do. Listen to type. You don't listen to understand. So that's why Movado never learn it. Cartel learn it. Because that was embedded in a Cartel DNA. And him know say, if him let go through artists out there that is better than Cartel by far, lyrically. Lyrically. A lot of artists is out there better than Cartel lyrically. But a lot of them feel to acknowledge that. A lot of them don't want to let them through. You understand? But right now, Alkaline let them go. That is why Alkaline say, him are the key man. Because him brought success to the ghetto youth them. Him brought a lot of success to dancehall. If a Cartel alone did that, go on a dancehall dead long time. I mean, it dead already still, you know. But if a Cartel alone, there is no dancehall. No dancehall. Because no one man can run it. No one man can run dancehall and push dancehall. None. Dancehall is an organization. It's a body. Dancehall bigger than Cartel and every single artist with they in the organization. Bigger than them. The word dancehall carry way ton more weight than every single artist. You understand? The word dancehall carries a lot more than every artist. If you go world, dancehall is worldwide. Worldwide. You know mind shop all the alien now have it up there. If you know mind shop, all the alien them go up there perform dancehall. You hear me? So when me hear una say Cartel is dancehall, Cartel is not dancehall. Cartel is Cartel and the leader of the Portmore Empire, Gaza. That's Cartel. A bad lyricist. He's very creative, very talented. We can't take that from him. We can't deny that. And him work hard. You understand? Him work hard and him have good plans when it comes to delivering music in the studio or even outside the studio. Him have great ideas how to keep himself relevant. But this a song I went come with about Locksmith. It's totally irrelevant. You can't come with a counteraction for a key man with a Locksmith. It can't. Because the man don't get the key already. And pull the gate and break down the gate already. Where you go put lock pan? Eh? Where you go put lock pan? Where you go build a new lock for? Or cut a new key for? Oh, you go try put up back one gate? That you go try do? That can basically that me I get in. For you as the locksmith, basically that me I get, you go put up a new gate and lock it. And make sure say you cut a key for the lock there and keep the key there. That can't work again. It cannot work again in a dancehall. Alkaline don't tear down that. So a lot of you now coming in without needing any of you. Me I go show you something. I'm telling you this already. That Cartel busting of artists days done. How long now Cartel a fight with their own youth them? Me nah say them not have people that follow them, you know, because of them father. You understand? People rate them and respect them because of them father. You understand? But how long now Cartel a fight with them in the business? Check the ratio. Right? Cartel a fight with Aishana. Iron balloon. Iron balloon. Can't bust again. Cartel now draw back for Black Rhino. Only I work on couple shows where Cartel game. In career not gonna win. No matter how much I find the song them, it just not gonna win. Nah help him. It nah help him. Cartel himself can't even find a hit song. All me here when I talk about Alkaline can't find a hit song. Talk about Cartel. Let me ask you another thing. When last Spice find a hit song in a dance hall? When last on a year about song Spice I put out songs? Me not hear not talk about them there. Me not hear not talk about them there. When last? From Cartel come out, Spice get cold, you know. You don't notice that? Spice get cold. Cold. Poppy get cold. Right? Family done long time because Alkaline they write him have long time. I know just know long time. But let me tell you something. In a key man, Alkaline tell you who him is. Me I go tell you another something. Cause me you know for not talk, you know. I want to understand this thing, you know. Me I go tell you this. Alkaline have him youth. Remember me to tell you that. You understand? Alkaline have him youth and me can bet my money upon that. Alkaline realize say this gelding thing a work for him, make gonna talk about him more. You understand? Make gonna talk about him more. You see, brata in a Jamaican language, it mean more. The man asks one girl to come give him headers. And him asks the girl, you not give brata. It mean it's totally different from body wash. Brata is totally different from body wash. Body wash and a nasty thing. You understand? Brata in a Jamaican patois language means more. More. Just like when we grew up and we go buy some ackee, we say, yo, give it 2 brata, no man. You go buy 2 fish, I say, yo, my youth, give me a brata upon the thing, man. Put a brata upon the thing, man. That's what it means. It means more. Do no research. And stop this stupidity. Stop run around with nonsense and follow idiot vloggers. Me them a corrupt on a brain bow brata. Understand on the language, on the culture. Understand it. Know the words them are from the language. I want to hell on speak patois. I want to don't understand patois. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Alkaline. Boy, you stir up Cartel, you drug Cartel, make Cartel turn a idiot to blood clad.